Hey, baby. Bounce, baby, bounce. Bounce, baby, bounce. Yay! Can you bounce for daddy? Sydney, can you bounce for daddy? Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. I say go, baby, go. Honey, bounce for me. Ah, yay!
That's the way you bounce. Yes.
Yay! You go, you go. The little feet doing the bouncing. Let's show the people how to bounce.
Do we have to hide or anything? Or no?
No, her feet are, no. Her knees are slightly bent. I think that's... Yay! Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. You say high fives? High fives. High fives. Yay!